Hi there, this is Claudia Orengo from heartmade.es, and in today's Tuesday tip tutorial, I want to do something a little bit different. I just discovered that there is a new feature in the Illustrator Beta Adobe app, and I thought I could record myself installing it so that you can learn how you can install it as well, and then we can test it together. So what you have to do is open the Creative Cloud app, and then go here on the left under apps, and on the top you will see beta, and then click install under Illustrator Beta. Once it's ready, it will show a button saying open, so we can open it and try it together. This is exciting. The beta apps always look like this, with this icon that looks more like a sketch or a blueprint. So don't worry if you see it in a different aesthetic than the regular one. This is what it means. It's just the beta and they are testing these new features. Alright, so it has loaded for me my documents. I see, that's exciting. Let's open this one that I just recently have been working on. These are the speaker images from the upcoming summit that we're planning for July. So yeah, let's try. What I usually do, I have the photo of the speaker, and then we have these circles. These are the branding of the summit, so let's use Cat Coquillette as example and test this picture. If you know anything about me, you'll know I'm a freak of aligning things. So every time I give feedback to anybody, it's like, I think this is not center aligned, or there is more space to the left than to the right. So I'm all the time using the align feature, to be honest. And what they just released is that when you select a few things, you have this new icon, which is to horizontally and vertically center align. Woohoo! I love this. I find this is gonna be a game changer, to be honest. I know it's just one click less, but why haven't they created this before? Like most of the time you want to align things perfectly centered in the vertical and in the horizontal line. So okay, let's test it with what will usually happen, which is you select the things and you want everything to be center aligned in respect to one of them. So I'm gonna click over this one, then I have this extra blue line over it. This is gonna be the reference one. So let's test it, and it perfectly aligns. Love it. So this is the feature I wanted to show you. This new button. I hope you are as excited as I am. Let me know if there are new Illustrator beta features you want me to test or to teach you about, or if you just want me to go through the new beta apps and show you what's new. I would love to do that for you. So let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next week with another Tuesday tip tutorial. Bye!